Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix GCash app account is on hold. So first things first, what you're going to do here is you have to go to your phone settings and then here you have to look for apps, tap on apps, and then click apps again. Now you need to scroll down here and look for GCash, or you can just basically go to the search icon and then type GCash. So once you found the GCash application, you have to tap this and then go to the storage usage. This time you have to tap on clear cache or clear data. Once you have tap on clear cache and clear data, you can now go back. And then this time you have to go to your Google Play Store and then search for GCash. Make sure that you are using the latest version of your GCash application. If not, then all you have to do is tap on Update to avoid lags and errors while using. Now, if this method didn't work, if you still go to your GCash and your account is still on hold, what you're going to do next is you have to go to any web browser and then type on GCash Help Center. Now, here, what you're going to do next is you have to tap on the first link. You can just also select from any as long as there is GCash Help Center. And then here on GCash Help Center, you have to look for account on hold, or let's just say can't sign in. So there are a lot of ways on how to fix that one. Now here, tap on account, and then you have to scroll down, tap on manage account, and then this time you have to look for my account is on hold. There are lots of options here. You have to select that one, and then it will take you directly to another page. And all you have to do is to follow the instruction on how to fix your account if it's on hold. So as you can see, there's an instruction here, and you just have to follow that one. Now, you can also have access to chat with Gigi. So, chat with Gigi, access the GCash Help Center, and initiate the chat with Gigi. Type account on hold to begin the process. Be prepared to provide. Once you have your conversation with Gigi, Gigi will ask you photos of two valid government issued IDs, a selfie holding the IDs, a screenshot of your phone SIM settings showing your GCash registered number. After that, you can complete verification promptly after submitting the necessary documents. Ensure you complete any additional verification steps within the specified time frame, usually 48 hours, to avoid further account restrictions. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.